It's been busy. Alright, let's wait for a few people to show up. And then we'll get this party started. The damn USPS mail lost my package. Had to buy another one. Didn't even know it was 50 miles away. I thought they were coming from Russia. Look at this. It's beautiful. Stabby McStab, stab, stab, stab. This might get me demonetized. Incredibly sharp. Stainless steel. They press the SS in. Reminds me of Nazis. Anyway, I want to use this knife. Let's get some cutting. Curious to know what kind of tubes are in. What kind of tubes do we get? Must be the wrong time to stream. Oh, hey, Kelly. Why is it always when I say something about how dead it is, all of a sudden it's not dead? Anyway. I swear it said 10 tubes when I ordered this. They are, thankfully, just as big as I expected. And if they're good, I will order some more because they are cheap as chips. I mean, really. I got all these for $23 delivered. Maybe I shouldn't be telling people that. They're all mine. All 500,000 of them, they're all mine. Damn, these are nice. Hold on. Look at them, they got the little nipple on them. I love that. That's so sexy with the nipple. Oh, and that's the anode too, which is great. Oh, that's perfect for 120 volt work. Oh, it's beautiful. Ooh, there's like no pins on the bottom of it. It's a triode though. Is it a triode? That's not a damn triode. That's a whatever's between a diode and a triode. I mean, whatever's between a triode and a pentode. A quadrode. What? Does that make sense? It looks like it has two grids in there, is what I'm trying to say. I don't have any information on this tube. And I can't see shit in it. I like the tubes. I thought these tubes had holes in them. They got ones with the holes in them. I'm gonna get those. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh man, I have a tube addiction. Oh, you know what? This might be a shield on the outside. I think that's what that is. Wait, that can't be the shield because it does go to the nipple. Damn, I wish I could see inside this thing. I'm not gonna break one open though. If I destroy one, I'll break it open. But I'm gonna get the other. What the fuck is that? I'm gonna get the other version of these with the holes in the plate. Those are probably pentodes. But I keep two of these out. I'll keep two of these out and we'll play with them. Those will be the ones that accidentally get broken, and I'll make a radio with these. Push-pull amplifier with 3 each. Oh, that's gonna be so sexy. That'll be for sale. I don't have a website. Leave it in the comments if you want it. When I build it. I bought these cheap ass things. If you buy these corner pieces from Amazon, they're gonna show up looking like this. And it's gonna take some work. Anyway. Today is show and tell. I'm showing and I'm telling. The most dangerous things I own. This is the small one. And I can't really run these until the scintillators arrive. Because I don't want to irradiate the shit out of myself. Because apparently the cheap Geiger counters, the ones for like $100, they're no good. They're no good for this work. No good for x-ray work. Look at that. That's a beautiful tube. There's the filament. Oh, hey, Mr. Throwaway, what's up? Yeah, man, these things finally came in. My scintillators got lost in the mail, so I bought 2 more. So if I'm lucky, I'll have 4 scintillators all coming at the same time. Look at the target surface. Tungsten target surface surrounded in a chunk of copper. There's the anode, cathode, heater. They give you the 3. 2 of those are the heater, 1 of them is cathode. So that's that one. And because I know I'm stupid and I drop shit, I'll cover that up. Now, this one. I didn't expect this when it came in. It is freaking gigantic. Here's the damn, man, words don't work for me. I just said the word. The heater. Here's the heater in there. It has a hole. It goes through the hole, hits the striking surface, and comes out. I don't know what that window is made out of. Maybe it's mica. Mica with copperized mica. The use case, this one in an X-ray machine, I guess. The small one probably came from another medical device, to be honest. I mean, that's where they pretty much all come from. The listing said, what did the listing say? Oh, I got another photomultiplier tube coming. It's a big tube. It is a big boy. It's an old boy though. Okay. So the small one is a RADI RADII dental X-ray tube from a KL11. And the big one, high vacuum X-ray replacement tube for a HXA flaw detector. I don't know what a flaw detector is. That's what this big one comes from, a so-called flaw detector. So probably not used for medical imaging. It's probably pipeline work. It's probably what it's used for. Maybe they set up the machine on one side of the pipeline because you got to get through a. I know they use they use actual capsules filled with the source and they run it into the pipeline to look at the welds. Maybe they use this for looking at sheets of metal or something. I don't know. Flaw detector. And it's got a big heat sink on it. This is no bueno. This plastic piece, it's covering cooling holes there at the bottom. This is, I don't think this is supposed to be here really, but they included it. You could tell it came from part of the machine, I guess. And that looks like the outside of a medical machine, if you ask me. Getting all my fingerprints. Don't clone me. Gotta be careful with how I put that back in the box because look how tiny. Hold on. I just take this screw out. This I don't know why I don't know why this is here. Oh, there's a fucking I'm trying to twist this bitch off. Okay. I have all the screwdrivers laying around. Where the hell are they? This kind of makes me nervous. I have this tube sitting on the floor right here, and I'm balancing this metal thing above it. Okay, let's see if. Oh my goodness. I'm hungry all of a sudden. Okay, that's not exactly coming off. I'm not looking for an Allen key. Fuck that. As long as you don't force anything off, there's usually nothing to worry about. Oh, I know why. Okay, that's full of oil. Alright. Good to know. Good to fucking know. Alright. I think maybe they think it's supposed to be full of oil. I don't think it's supposed to be full of oil. I think that's just oil in the caught in the screw thing and they thought it wasn't supposed to come out. But that's probably literally a centimeter of oil. Hold on. Damn it, can I a million wires and I can't pick up one? There we go. Yep. Literally a centimeter of oil. Yeah. Okay, I feel okay about this. I don't think this is PCB oil. But that only matters if it's on fire. Yeah. There's nothing in there. It's just a, here we go. Little flashlight. Little tiny baby flashlight I found on the ground. It's cute. Probably is supposed to go at in the end of something. Yeah, there's nothing in there. And only one of these. Oh no, there's a couple holes. So this might be where the tube mounts. This is it'll mount somewhere to a plate in front of a pump and all that good stuff. Oh, this is yeah, you're right. That's awesome. I didn't even recognize that. That's funny as hell. I remember that motherfucker. It's not for mine, but yeah. Damn, that's funny as shit. Fucking Walmart knife. That's a good little flashlight, though. I like it. I think it takes some weird batteries, though. Tactical serrations. Yeah, you need those tactical serrations. You never know when your hands get slippery. And you can't twist the nib. It kind of shits out on me sometimes. But you know, it's always around when I need it. It's the smallest damn flashlight, and for some reason I can always find it, but I can't find a fucking huge screwdriver. That's my life. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. I think it's funny. Okay, I want to look at this some more. How much? What do we suppose the filament supply is on one of these things? 3 volts, maybe? Um. Oh, Jesus Christ. Here, replay. There we go. That's what happened. Stupid thing. I should get the glue. Get the glue. All right. 120 volts. Let's go. I just have wires draped right across it. That's fucking great. So this open face, what the fuck is this thing called? Open face auto transformer. Um, it's live at 120 volts. Alright. So it comes in on this one. That is neutral. And this is hot. Right. Let me move this out of the way a little bit. And this is hot. Oh my god. Okay. And it should be off. And then we can turn it up. So, theoretically, I should be able to run a tube with this. Can y'all hear that? Hold on. I don't know if y'all could hear that, but it was going. Bah. You always hear that coming through like a stereo amplifier or something. I always thought it was my cell phone about to get a signal or something, but no, it's the power company sending information through the power lines. And your amplifier picks that shit up. Okay, here we go. To one side. And then to another side. I think that's a side. Oh my god, eyeballs. Oh no, that's the other side. Sorry, that took way too long. Alright, let's turn it up. There we go. We got a little glow there. So, whatever that is, should be okay for the... Alright, let's just do this. I gotta bite this off, I guess. It tastes nasty. Yeah. Alright, turning it up. Whoa! Okay, 3 volts. 3 volts for this baby. I'm like barely moving this knob. I feel heat. Something's getting hot under my hand. That's very cool. Alright, why is my transformer hot? Whoa, that is hot. Damn, why is it so fucking hot like that? There must be glue under there or something. Once upon a time, I got a bunch of glue stuck underneath of it. And it made a lot of resistance and things got really hot. But I don't think that's what happened. I just think it's 6 volts at a billion amps. Yeah, that shit's hot. I think there's something going on with it. I need a new auto transformer is what I need. This one, I'm not really sure what's what here. Haha, no, it doesn't say it on it. I was about to laugh at myself and say that it says it right on it. Okay, I see. There's really only 2 connections. Like, there should be only 2 connections. Speaking of connections, I'm holding the wrong connections. Those go to there. Okay. Stick that there. Stick that there. Perfect. Plug this scary bitch in. Wha-bam! Okay. We're fine. Okay, little twist. Little twist. Whoa! Hello. Let me show you how I'm twisting this thing when it does that. I'm literally doing this. That's it. And then it just goes, it slams forward. So this thing has a very low voltage, which is great because I can make a well, we gotta put a 4 kilovolts across it before it'll start giving off x-rays. Trust me, it's not that simple. It would be really cool if it was that simple. This isn't handmade. I found this in a dumpster. This would have mounted on the back of a panel. It would have mounted on a panel like this. And the front of the panel would be here, and the knob would poke through, and you would actually control it from the knob on the front of the panel. And it's an auto transformer, so like when you turn it, this becomes the primary side and this becomes the secondary side. So as you turn it, the voltage will increase, but the current will decrease, and you keep going up and up and up. Which can have some fairly nefarious implications. These motherfuckers get really hot if you misuse them. But they sell them on Amazon all day for like $50. They're usually in a red case, and they have the little voltmeter on the front of them. You know what's really crazy is the guy that threw this away repairs electronics, and he threw this away in good working condition. The only issue it had was because it was tossed in a dumpster, it got seriously fucked up. And when I picked it up, I could tell the damage was from where it was thrown because it was laying on this side, and this was all crushed the fuck in and whatnot. I have another one in the bathroom, and it was because I was trying to clean it until I figured out I was never going to be able to fix it. Let me go grab it. so excited when I found this. And then so sad when I realized how fucked up it actually was. Look at that damage. That's really bad. I'm not micro soldering all that. And then it's also missing, it's missing the piece that contacts this surface right here. But I have a nice big hefty core if I need one. But this would not be a potentiometer because the wire that it's using is copper wire instead of nichrome. You would use nichrome because the resistance is really high. I mean, there is a resistance across this, and there is an impedance when you put electricity through it. So, I mean, it's an inductor. That's what inductors do. Let's see. What else fell out the sky? Oh, yeah. There's this thing I've been working on. It's powered with... Oh, Jesus Christ. I gotta glue that thing. Okay. Where's my battery? Everything's a disaster right now. If I call for it, it'll come to me. Motherfucker. Didn't I just have it? Wasn't I just looking at it? I have a really big one sitting in front of me, but I'm kind of scared of it. Oh, here it is. It's sitting behind the heater. Ooh, I have this schematic too. Jesus Christ. There it is. That's the schematic if you want it. It doesn't matter what you really use. Except for the resistor. The resistor needs to be 22K. The capacitor is probably 10 mics, maybe 10 pico, I don't know. This is the power. And I denote the stripe wires to positive now. Because I like everything to be fucking backwards. Alright. Okay. Oh, it's not working because there's nothing on it. This is probably going to be the most... Do I have a Hobby Lobby near me? I don't. The nearest Hobby Lobby is 14 miles away. Why? What's a Hobby Lobby? I have a Walmart and a Five and Below. That's about it. I think I should just jam these anywhere and press the button. I think that sounds good. And we'll see what it does. Put that down real gentle like. And wait. I've been touching it that whole time and it should have been on. I should have been getting the living crap zapped out of me. What's going on here? This worked the other day, I promise. Okay. I have an idea. I have an idea, but the idea doesn't have me. I bought these. I'm gonna make a voltmeter out of that Nixie tube. Okay, I guess I don't get the convenience of neon, so I'm just gonna use my fingers to see if it's on. Okay, nothing. This battery might be dead. Damn it. I'm so lazy. I don't want to untangle this meter from the thing, so I'd rather touch it to my tongue, but the terminals are too far apart for my tongue to reach. Oh, I have an idea. I use my finger. Oh, it's alive. Okay. If you go to one, they have a little science kit which has crystal radio, earpiece, and shit ton of magnet wire for $15. Way cheaper than buying online. Oh. Oh shit. For 15 bucks, huh? Damn, that's at Hobby Lobby though. It cost me $15 just to get up there. Not really, but if I get pulled over, it cost me way more. But yeah, magnet wire is really fucking expensive. I don't get it. And then you're always needing like different types and shit. Where did this capacitor? I mean, potential. Why aren't you working? You should be working. This is positive. This is negative. Is it? Because I'm pretty sure this is the collector. Which means this resistor is in the wrong place. Oh, this is pissing me off. Why do I fuck up at the simplest shit? All I had to do was move the components from one place to the other. Okay, so now that makes... now that puts this wires not backwards anymore. So the negative is the stripe. Fuck. I gotta hook this shit back up. Stippy, stippy, stampy. Like to clip a clampy. Damn it, I need some clips. Clip me. Like, my brain has melted. I feel retarded right now. Do the thing. Put the wire in the fucking hole, please. It's too big. God damn it. I'm using solid core wire next time. That shit's way easier to fuck with. Red wire, blue wire, pink wire, green wire. Urgh. Why is it doing this to me? Everything's against me. Okay. Stick it in, stick it in. I don't know if y'all can see how terrible this looks, but it looks terrible. Alright. Damn it, I'm gonna throw it all. Alright, let's take this from the bottom. Last time that was doing a thing it shouldn't have been doing. Alright, I gotta pay attention to this. This brown wire is high voltage ground. Hold on, let me move the camera a little bit. Midwest sucks because everything is 30 miles away. That's kind of how it is around here. Definitely how it used to be until they built the Walmart. And then they started building a few more things. Alright, what the fuck is going on? These two wires, we can get rid of these. We can just Get them to fuck off. Base, collector, emitter. So this has to go to ground. Let me tear this motherfucker apart. Solder this shit together. Base, collector, emitter. So this is going to go to ground. Son of a bitch. So the emitter will typically always go to ground. The emitter yank, 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 yank. Yank my wiener. Okay. That's the emitter. If you ever see that, it goes to ground. And the other one goes to positive. This is for NPN. Even for PMPs. PMP, NPN, you see that arrow, it goes to the ground. Anyway. I'm pretty sure anyway. But I need to know where the collector is. So I'm going to look for continuity from this clippy piece. Because the collector will always be on that clippy piece. And I'm going to see which pin it's on. Alright, that middle pin, just like I thought I remembered. And that's switching. So now we're switching the ground into the transformer. You sack of shit. Fire. Alright, so we switch ground. If you're working with tubes, this bias resistor will go to ground. It will not go to wherever the fuck I'm supposed to put it. It's positive. That's where it goes. That's not what that is, but this is positive. Okey-doke. Whoa, that's on the wrong side there, buddy. Wait a second. Wait a fucking second. No wonder it didn't work. The resistor was on the wrong side. Oh my god. That means I wrote that schematic wrong. Shit. Where's that schematic? Okay. Oh no, I didn't do it wrong. Yeah, okay. So I fucked up the wiring. I did it right on the schematic. I just didn't do it right in practice. So this resistor is supposed to go to positive, apparently. Because this is our bias resistor. This is going to bias the transistor on a little bit to kickstart things. So now I need... Oh, that's the base, not the high voltage. I thought that was the high voltage line. Now I'm fucking backwards. Damn it. See why there's confusion? Because this one's brown too. Get out of here, red wire. You don't belong here. Oh, yeah, you do. That red wire is high voltage. So this goes on this side all by itself. This is the ground lead over high voltage. this is supposed to go to positive as well. What a mess. I feel like this shit's gonna start snapping and breaking. Okay. The base fell off, sack of shit. I kind of learned this thing where if you finish your project to completion with the expectation that it is going to work, it is not going to work. It is going to fail. So cover all your bases, do all the extra bullshit, and it probably won't fail. Just to spite you, you know? Okay, so, which is why I'm not going to solder all this together right now. Okay, this is hot. This thing is really active. I will know if it's on. I want to cry. Okay. If it doesn't work, what you can do is change the direction of the coil. This is what you got to do. If you know everything should be right, you throw this together. And then this went to the red. I think it went to the red. Anyway. Wait a second. Trying to trick me. Murphy's Law. It sounds better. Hey! Oh, bro, me too. Like, during a conversation, like when I first meet somebody, I literally ask them what their name is 5 times. And I still won't remember. Okay, soldering iron. Oh my god, where the fuck is that at? Here it is right here. I think things have gotten a little too messy around here. Okay. Now I need to find the solder. Here it is. I'm kind of curious if I have a high voltage source. I mean, it's not high voltage enough. From what I understand, is when you run those tubes, the voltage arc you get should be like this damn long. It's supposed to be like 40,000 volts or something. And I'm wondering if we can get some radiation going with just this little silly ass setup. I'm soldering these in place right where they stand, and I can't see much, but yeah, orientation lock, whatever. Okay. It smells like burning tires. A couple more. God, burnt insulation smells horrible. Alright. Take two. I have right over across the way an oscillator for this because the voltage is going to be way too high for this tube. Well, not for the tube, but for the transistors, I need to switch the numbers in the tube. So I gotta get this damn thing under control. But it's really pretty. Hold on. Well, not where it's connected right now. Holy shit. I connected it to the number one worst place. The literal broken 5 is what I connected it to. Okay. Ooh, there's a 2. This doesn't seem as strong as it was the other day when I was messing with this. This battery might be going dead though. And it's really bright in this room. You can't see all the pretty purples and blues that are in it. There's a lot of purples and blues and whatnot. I might have screwed up the efficiency of this somehow. Oh yeah. I just touched between the leads and it didn't electrocute the living fuck out of me, so I definitely did something to the efficiency of this thing because it was ferocious the other day. Like I was kind of scared of it. It hissed and everything. It said, let me try this. Oh my god, yeah, I'm cleaning this fucking mess. This is too much. What? 11 volts. That's way too high for the output I'm getting. Alright. So what's going on here? Why is my output garbage? I wonder. No, that's how I got it to work, is by doing that. If I reverse it, it's gonna be fucked up again. Let's try this. I'm triggering off of one of the high voltage sides of the coil. So maybe this will work. That did not work. Oh, this shit is brutal. Why is it so fucking hot in here? I wonder. Damn, I'm not. 10 mega ohm resistor, make yourself known. Wow, too much stuff. Ten megs, where are you? I know you're in here. There you are. The Nixie I have was free. I found it in the dirt, in the junkyard. Which is crazy. There was 3 of them. If you go on Amazon, they're $80 for 8 of them, I think. Which is bullshit. I saw some really cool ones on eBay. They weren't really Nixie tubes. They were really crazy ass electron tube things that did. They were green and red. Hit green ones and red ones and blue ones. It was crazy. They look really awesome and they were super expensive. I've never seen a display like it before. Old Russian military stuff. What? It's really not working again? Oh, the base. The base is flopping in the breeze, that's why. Yeah, it doesn't like 10 megohms. The only thing I can really think of is maybe I fucked the resistor up. I mean the transistor. Because this shit was so beautiful. Like, I can't even. Hey, I wonder if the day had something to do with it, like the grounding and whatnot. I just think it needs a capacitor. I think it needs a capacitor across here. Let me get the soldering gun out again. It's a good thing. So these things heat up good and quick nowadays. I gotta see what side is. You know what? We're going AC. Kind of has a DC component though, a big DC component. Where the hell is ground? This pin. I might have to take a break. I'm getting overwhelmed. Which sounds really weird because I'm not doing shit, but this stuff is so frustrating. My little autistic brain just cannot. Here we go. Oh, can we plug this thing in, please? Alright, here we go. She's a running. Oh my god, look at that. That's brilliant. Let me turn these fucking light out. Jesus. It is, see, I add capacitance. I add capacitance with my body and it gets way brighter. And it's like, why does that work? Because shouldn't my body be taken away from it? Ow! Son of a bitch, that hurt. Just like it should. I fucking love it. Oh my goodness. Yes. Look at the bluish. You can't see it, but look at it. Ooh, this thing stinks too. It smells like high voltage. Fuck yes. Oh, it's fucking my camera up. Yes! Alright. Trying to get a shot of that bluish color. Oh, I just shorted it out like a dummy. I guess my camera's okay. It's gonna have to be. Ow, shit! Oh my god. A respirator. I'm gonna have to get a PO box then. I'll see what a PO box is doing and I'll see what's good. Ah, shit! Ow, it's still on! Fuck. Oh my god, that bitch got my legs and everything. I'm done. No, I'm not. But I gotta take a break. Oh, electric fan's off and the soldering iron's still blaring. Good thing that didn't go anywhere. Alright. I need to get the, what's it called? The Geiger counter. Okay. Let's use a small tube because there's less risk of me destroying it because it's smaller. I need to do this different. I don't know if y'all got 7-Eleven. I got 7-Eleven. Everybody has 7-Eleven. What the fuck am I talking about? They started putting the nachos in these stupid plastic bins. I don't know why. It seems expensive. This isn't the right switch. I don't want the switch. But they're great for this shit. I use this switch. Oh, never mind. I'm not gluing through that. You know what? Is this appropriate? Might be a little too big. Oh, I don't have screws for it. Okay, never mind then. There's the switch. Oh, I know. This one. This one's perfect. Oh, that's weird. You would think they would have a bunch of 7-Elevens out there, but I guess it makes sense. When I used to live in Chesapeake Beach, there wasn't any 7-Elevens there. It was all a bunch of Quick Stop. It was all Quick Stop. Which I thought was funny because it sounded like the Quick Stop from Jay and Silent Bob. Never used a switch before. Okay, that's irritating. I've never heard of any of those. Jay and Silent Bob, man, I grew up on Jay and Silent Bob. Hold on, what was it? $15, little man. Put that shit in my hand. If that money doesn't show, then you owe me, oh. Jungle Love. Oh, we, oh, we, oh. Cool. Didn't really expect internals like that. Okay, I'm not gonna pull it apart. I almost pulled it apart. Okay, yeah, I am. Okay, apparently I'm not. It says no. Okay. So, maybe it's smarter to switch out the high voltage than it is the thingamabob because would you like to finish that sentence, Jerry? Nope, sure wouldn't. What the fuck? That is stuck like Chuck. Using solder for the other one because I can't be bothered. Son of a bitch. When I first watched that movie, what is it? Fuck. It's in black and white, and the Jay and Silent Bob people make it. If I plan to shoplift, please let us know. Who said that? I don't remember them saying that. What is that shit called? Not cashiers. What the fuck is it called? I don't know, but it has them in the and they're working at a store, and I think it's the franchise that Jay and Silent Bob are from. Maybe I don't fucking know. Working at the Quick Stop. This thing did not have bolts on the back of it. It does. This sucks. I almost lost them motherfuckers. Jay and Silent Bob Strike Back. And Clerks. Yeah, there, Clerks. Yeah, fucking Clerks. I love Clerks. I like the movie they did. The movie was really good. I hate this battery. I need some twisty pegs on it or something. Alright. High voltage here. High voltage there. High voltage in your hair. Now it's soldered on and I need to get it off. This is the fucking problem with this shit. Damn solder. And my snips have taken a leave of absence. So, soldering iron sitting right here. I guess we'll just wait for it to warm up for a second. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Would have been better if USPS didn't lose my mail. Fuckers. Oh my god. If those cocksuckers ever lose your mail, don't even bother calling them. For real. Don't even bother filling out a form because they'll just tell you it's not eligible even though it's clearly fucking lost because it's been lost for 3 weeks when it should have been here in 4 days. Like, that's crazy. They're gonna tell me it's not lost. Whatever. Ow! Shit! I just burnt myself. Again. Oh yeah, cause they kept fucking catching on fire. I think that was the opening scene, wasn't it? He opens the thing and it's fucking engulfed in flames. I would have done the same thing. I would have just shut it and walked away. Fucking done. Did I put that in backwards? Damn. I can't believe I really did that. Probably saved me from shocking myself a couple times though. Ow, shit. Yep. Still shocked myself though. I have to put the switch up there like that. Perfect. Alright, we got our high voltage. Now, let's see what we can do about our couple volts on the filament. It would really make me feel better if I had some batteries. I do. I have D batteries and some tape. Some crusty D's. Would you like to put my crusty D's in your mouth? Oh no, these are C's. Would you like my crusty C's? And they are crusty. See? This one's crusty. Op amps are awesome. We're gonna look at this in a minute. After whatever this is. I might not need tape. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick these on real quick, and then I'm gonna touch it to this C battery and see if I get any filament glow. It'd be really cool if I do, because shit. Oh. That's great. Alright, let's do this shit. Alright. One of these is the fucking cathode. I'm pretty sure it's this side. I don't know why this side has two things on it though. Yeah, this is a cathode. So, oh shit. It's not gonna matter because this is already a diode. We can throw AC into this. It doesn't matter, because it's already a diode, like I literally just said. Okay. One side is throwing out more power than the other. That is something to consider, but I don't want power here. I just want to know that it throws out radiation. So, pick a side, any side, Joe. Fuck. Okay. I suppose that's on there good enough. And we'll stick the high voltage end in there. The camera angle is going to be fucked. And you're not going to be able to see the cathode. Maybe you'll see it shine in that, but I can't move this around. Alright. Okay. I gotta keep this far away enough that it's not influenced by the electron emission of the high voltage, but far away enough that you know what I'm trying to say. Okay. It's kind of a lot of background. Huh. Whatever. Okay. So, I actually kind of need to see the filament myself. That is a lot of background. What the fuck? This tube ain't radioactive, is it? I think this tube might be slightly radioactive. Okay, so the camera angled shit's not happening. So we're just gonna put up with it. I am not gonna look straight down the barrel of this thing, but you are. Okay. High voltage on. Oh shit. Okay, try this again. High voltage on. Fuck me. That's not good. Stop doing that. Faggot. You are not throwing off radiation right now. You are not even doing anything. There's no filament. That's what he knows. Shows what he knows. You know what I mean? In theory, it shouldn't be giving anything off when I turn the high voltage on. Oh my god. It fucking is. Alright, I'll put it further away. Oh my god, it's still going off. This is fucking scary. The filament's not even plugged in. Okay, I'm moving it further back. It is way back here. Look how far back it is. Okay. Alright, good. That's kind of what I'm expecting. I think that might have just been spurious electrical fields. I'm gonna do the filament now. We'll keep the high voltage. Ah, shit! Ow, 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 ow. Okay. Turn the high voltage back on, and let's go. Well, filament's on. You can see it, but I can't hear anything. I don't think there's any emission. Yeah, you're lying right now. You're lying. You're lying. I guess we're gonna have to deal with that. Oh, when I connect it across. Oh, that's real radiation right there. Oh, that's real. Yeah. Let's try something else real quick. Let's try something phosphorescent. Gas tube. Neon is the best. Neon is very excitative. Oh, the fucking high voltage is on. That should tell us enough right there. Oh, son of a bitch. Now I'm coupling it. That's better. Alright. Filament's on. Filament's very on. Nothing. Let's see if we need... I have a CRT. Hold on. I want to try that instead. Turn it off. Where my CRT? Damn. I really do have too much shit. It should be here, senor. Oh. Staring right at this shit as always. This one's separate? Yeah, this one's separate. I love these little things. If you ever see a camcorder for $5, grab that motherfucker. Oh, later, dude. Alright, let's see if we can get this bad boy to glow at all. High voltage back on. Filament on. Filament is on, but I'm not getting a lot. I'm gonna make the filament stronger. Whoa! Okay. That was a lot of filament. With no stuff. And my high voltage was on. Let's see what happens with this again. Okay. Now I'm not coupling to it so easily anymore. So the battery, the 12-volt battery must be dying. Yeah, we don't have ionization. That's a shame. Let's see if it changes at all here. No, we're not getting any meaningful radiation. It's burning me though. Yeah, I think I need to take a break anyway. This is probably a good stopping point. The next stream will be op amps. I'm gonna try to run that with an op amp because I've never done that before. Anyway, thanks everybody that showed up. This was fun.